English in India. The presence of the English in India is one of the most significant chapters in Indian history, as it ultimately led to British colonial rule and profound changes in the Indian subcontinent. Here is an overview of the English presence in India. Early trade and settlements. The English East India Company was granted a royal charter in 1600 to facilitate trade with the East, including India. In 1601, the company established its first factory, trading post, in the port of Machilipatnam, on the southeastern coast. The English established additional trading posts and factories, including ones in Surat, Madras, Chennai, and Calcutta, Kolkata. Competition with other European powers. The English East India Company faced competition from other European colonial powers, including the Dutch, Portuguese, and French. This competition often led to conflicts and wars for control of trading posts and territories in India. Bengal. One of the most significant developments for the English was the acquisition of the Diwani, revenue collection rights, of Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa in 1765, following the Battle of Buxar. This marked a turning point in the company's influence in India. Expansion and rule. Over time, the English East India Company expanded its control over various regions through diplomacy, alliances, and military conquests. They gradually established indirect rule over large parts of India. The Anglo-Maratha Wars, Anglo-Mysore Wars, and Anglo-Sikh Wars were pivotal in extending British dominion. Cultural exchange and impact. The British presence in India had a profound cultural impact. The exchange of ideas, languages, and traditions enriched both Indian and British societies. The English language left a lasting legacy and became a prominent medium of education and administration in India. Economic exploitation. The British East India Company extracted significant wealth from India, primarily in the form of agricultural produce, textiles, and raw materials. This exploitation had a detrimental effect on the Indian economy. Struggles for independence. The British colonial rule in India was met with resistance and movements for independence. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru played critical roles in the struggle for freedom. End of colonial rule. India gained independence from British colonial rule on 15 August 1947, following years of non-violent civil disobedience and political negotiations. Legacy. The British colonial period in India left a profound and lasting legacy, both positive and negative. India's modern political, administrative, and legal systems were influenced by British institutions. However, the period also brought economic exploitation, social inequalities, and significant cultural changes. The English presence in India played a pivotal role in shaping the course of Indian history, and its consequences continue to influence the subcontinent today.